Ilalim! Marcos, ilalim ka!
Bisa pas dua Salem. Salem bisa. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's it. Okay. Your shot. Ramos. Pass number 3. This is for Octavio. Por Segura.
Travel.
8-7 shot. Foul number 15. Basket count. Foul number 25. Basket 11. Foul number 25. Warning for penalty level.
Number 1. 31 seconds. White ball. 16 seconds.
ball, foul number 10. Second personal foul, first team foul, last shot. Third ball. Jump ball, set ball, water to shoot, time out. Time out, last shot. Water to shoot. Same ball, 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Five. 7 seconds count violation. Number 77.
That's my boy.
Thumbs up. Out of bounds.
Isa pa!
Effective three.
Defense! Oh my God. Baba! Yan na naman! Oh my days, bro!
One game. Stop. That's up.
Oh my God, bro!
Number 14. Balik, stop, stop. Three seconds, bye.
Lee! Defense! Uli!
Out of bounds. Number 1 to number 0. Number 23. Iliran, wala. Remember, it goes to number 22, back shot. Putback, it goes to number 22, 2 points. Okay, this one game is being brought to you by Justice Sport. Number 15.
Tira!
It goes to number 22. Side shot, si numero 1,000. And the foul, si Referee Romero. Foul on number 23. First personal foul and a first team foul. The 2-1 shot for jersey number 10, the first try. Basket. Looking for a second try. Substitution. Sino? Number 1 anyone? The point guard, back shot, by jersey number 1, 2 points. Kontrata to, isa, kontrata. Number 12, the jersey number 15. Looking for his teammate, and kita see number 7 seconds to number 12. 14 seconds to shoot. Wala, limang lagi.
Pass! Ay!
Number 12 pa rin pinasa kay jersey number 15. Hindi makabasket ang last shot. Ronjel, basketball. Ayan ngayon, si Colon. Number 1. And still by jersey number 12. Magpapay ngayon. Tumibag-ibag pala. Ngayon ay nakikang foul. Sumusok pa si Gregory. Foul on jersey number 0. Foul na 2 shots. Substitution. Sa Rodney Steels. First try, third. Next game natin, the Battle of Pride. Tama? Battle of Pride natin. So, BOP pa lang. Kinsik. Back shot, kaya jersey number 10, wala. Naglalabas ay Diron Roger Smith. Ayan na. Sumatake. Si jersey number 23. Kaya mga kape.
Defense!
Jersey number 22. Number 22. Number 22. Sumatasap. Pero mahina ang tira. Kaya ang pinili. Jersey number 22. Number 22. Second card by Tama Pao. Yan. Yeah. Good work. Basket count. Foul on jersey number 10. Arm contact and in-1. Tatlo ka na. Jersey number 10. Hoy. Usapin kayo. Right. Ilolonggo ni Richard. Richard. Yun, kuha palakpak si Madam. Madam, tuwang-tuwa na si Madam. Hoy, yan, repon. Stories.
City defense!
8.3 by the last shot. Number 21. Jersey number 22. No problem. Score is 30-19. A 6-point advantage. Nakikitang foul na naman. Foul jersey number 23. Arm contact and a 2 shots para kay jersey number 15. 2 personal foul on jersey number 23. And a second team foul. Roger Skills, the first try. Mahina. Second try by jersey number 15.
E!
Asan? Roger Skills. Kanibaro. 2. Number. Di ko nakita. Wala. Kulot na second. Wala pa rin. Ang sipa. Jersey number 7. Apat na lang. Last 1 minute. Yun. Foul on jersey number 23 again. Flagging foul. Third personal foul and a third team foul. Rebound ni jersey number 15. Hindi na siya ay magpalit. Pero nasundot ni jersey number 7. Si Paul. Number 10. Si jersey number 15. Hoy, nakita-kita. Wag na wag kong gagawin yan. Sa harap ni referee Richard Ibay. Number 23, Evento Radon. To number 28, Taliban. Nasundot to number 15. And ang overstep by the Roger Skills. And number 23, number 1. Number 22, to Mox. Dalawang na lang, last 20 seconds. Number 15, number 20 seconds. And that's the end of the second quarter. Our story session, basketball. Pasok, Roger Skills. Official score is 17-19 at 2.3 advantage para sa last shot. Ayan na, Maro, malilipat na sa Roger Skills. Number 15, nakita si numero 13, kuning number 3, mahina. Ayan, nalibang pa ito sa number 23, si Boy Nabo. Pinasa kay Montenegro, number 9, Nasa items number 1, Kumeke. And still items number 15, Tapio. Number 15, Binisita. Wala, ang nalibang Panginoon, Discus. Number 21, nasa items number 9. Hoy! May nagre-react. Wala pa daw, sabi ni Madam. Hoy!
Gagi.
Yes, good point. Nag-inbound kayo sa front row. Pinasa mo sa back row. Kaya tatawagan ka ng back in violation. Base of the night, Harry Petios. Ayun. Halika daw dito, Harry. Foul on jersey number 23. Again, jersey number 23. Substitution. Number 23, that is for more personal foul. Both about yan. Okay na ka muna, number 23. Magkapi-kapi ka muna dyan. Kumain ka ng biskuit. Number 15 kayo. Number 15. By jersey number 15, Fabio. Dan, lumalayo na ang shot. Lumalapit naman ang Ronnie Smith. Number 3. Sayang. Tumatawa ka pa. Ano doon? Tingin na. Number 1 now. Jersey number 1. Siguro. Number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Tingin ka. Wala. Yan. That line is 14. Ay, sumabi. Foul on jersey number 15. Number 15. That is your second personal foul.
Babali! Ito akin na away ko.
Second rise with Kennedy. Number 7, Ramos. Side pocket. Number 13, wala. Pass, laban ng shoot. Ito hawa na rin. Number 15, wala. Douglas. Sana ay shoot si number 15. May kamay na ba? Tawag kung maglalaba. Baka masira yung kamay mo. May question tayo ng Zuna. Number 2. Number 1. Bago. Tumingin naman ka. Number 1. Ang sipag mag-cheer ni Jersey number 3 nila. Number 10.
Tira.
To jersey number 7, Ramos. Wala. Henry Bagay, di Roger Skills.
Double.
Oh, yan. Umangat ang iyong ibon. Kaya tatawanan ka sa substitution. Kalipa,
Points.
o bola. Dala-dala yung manong doon sa bench. Dala-dala yung manong doon. Yung bola, bigay mo yung bola na hindi sakit yan. Ibalik mo. Huwag mong dalhin. Kay Coach Roland yan. Number 15. bantayan si Kulong. Number 15, number 15, closer shot ni number 15, wala. Ayan na. Yan, out. Substitution, Kulong na now. Hugoy. Last 5 minutes for the third quarter. Score is 21-27. Number 1 ngayon, si Boyblok. Boyblok ang nagdadala ng bola. Boyblok, binasaan, number 3 pinita. Tatlo na lang. Tatlo na lang. Pinita ko, abay number shot, wala. Iba-iba. Jersey number, big ball, yes. Kitang-kita ay dito. Tinatang mo ang bola. Substitution. Number 22. Yes, may foul tayo. Number 12. Traffic foul ay ang chance. First strike ay jersey number 22. Basket. Ay! Bigay. Second try by jersey number 22. Tignan natin ang pangalawang ball ni jersey number 22. Wala, charity. Kaya wala na. Ang bola. One, out of bounds. Boyblok ngayon. Step back, hindi umatras. Yan. Kaya out of bounds. Boy, sabrap. Sino pamaltan mo? Number 15 na yun. Binigay sa kampe, hindi ko nakita ang number. Boy, sila. Street. Number 15, number 15. Wala, ibang five, big man, number 25. Wala, enough save by those number 22. Takriban na, takriban pa ball. Number 15, basket foul. May kasama pa foul, ball on George number 3. Ang contact ay nakiwan by George number 15. George number 15 complete from A to Z at 9 necessary. Number 24, Alba. And now, 3 seconds violation. Yan, tamang-tama sa number mo. Minsan, pamangkin. Number 25, number 25. Wala, ilang ibang bay. Ang Saging si number 22. Number 22. Number 7. Kota Pilipak. George number 15. Wala. Wala George number 22. Upward pass. Intercept by Palet. Binigay kay George number 15. Number 15. Sige ka. Bounce to the ball. Samantalit, mga kapatulod. Yan, nakakatulog lang kaya ang Ron James Hills, number 1. Number 10. Ginagawa na ang bola. Ayun, Steve, number 22. Number 22. Pinasakay ang bola. Ayun ang bola. Jump ball, sing ball tayo. Shot clock natin ha. 8 seconds to shoot. And a ceasefire requested by the Ron James Hills Official Scoring. Okay. Red ball. Yan, libre si number 10. Wala. Rebound by si number 2. Kakita nga si Marisa. Balls lang ang tinamaan. Well, nakapaw tayo. Correct, foul versus number 1. First personal foul. The third big foul. Ano? Wala. Sige, wala. Tumingin sa line. Kung ilan yung viewers, nasa 1 million viewers na tayo. Adjusting. Number 15. Number 15, tumigong si George number 15. Ang pagkakalaw si George number 15. George number 7, number 7. And that's the end of the third quarter. Just scoring. Last shot, basketball. Nalito sila Troy. Number 12 ngayon, inbounding the ball to jersey number 7. Pinasa sa Esther, number 15. Nakita ni Pinito. Natutulog sa pagkita ng Rodney Skis. Walang defense now. Iwan, number 1 ngayon. 2-point. Wala. And a rebound by number 25. Counter steal by jersey number 1. Yes, simula. Foul on jersey number 15. Losing foul and a 2 shots. Number 15, that is your third personal foul. Next game will be the Battle of Pride. Second back by jersey number 1. Oy, pang-checking doon. Wag na wag. Wait for the ball to touch the ring before entering. Wala pa rin na rebound by jersey number 25. Ayan na si jersey number 7. Ramos. Nadoble, binigay kay number 15, binigay kay number 10, number 10 ngayon. Nakita si George number 25. Yung naman doon, para sa last shot. Number 1, binigay ng pick, number 1 ngayon. Binigay kay George number 23. 15 seconds to shoot, 14 seconds to shoot. Shot clock down to 14. Ayan na, maliit na mana, tumigada ng press. Wala, same ball. Dito mama na rin ha. 3 seconds to shoot tayo. 3 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot tayo. 3 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds violation. Yan, lumayo na. 10 ang kalamangan. dapat tira. And a jump ball, dito tayo. Sa araw, nagturo sa Ron James Wills Basketball. Numbers 0. Tumikal lang guys. Hindi pumasok. May nalimawa doon sa number 7. To number 15. Back to number 7. Nice pass. Yan, lumalayo na naman ang last shot. 12. Ay, 12. Number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 1, karoon ng bola. Wala. Naliwang by ni Lasha. Number 7 na yun. Akin na to. Sabi nito si number 7. Number 23. Looking for his teammate. Naging si number 1. Binalik kay number 23. Pumeke.
3 seconds.
Yeah. 3 seconds. And ceasefire requested by the Barangay.
Jay!
Lock 2 ay doon sa number 10.
Jay!
Ayan, nagtawa ng bola. Bukas, para doon sa number 2. Number 15, binigay sa maliit na mga. To number 25, Java. Outlet pass from the number 0. Boy, player out of bounds. Number 7. Goes number 7. The point guard. Umikot. Yan, point gain advantage. Lumolobo na ang kalamangan. Number 7. Number 2. To number 0. Tumikal ng glass. Wala. Oh, ayan na. Out. Allowed doon sa number 7. Sa prep. Okay, pasok. Ano ba? Tawagin ko na lang ng kasabo. And this ball game is being brought to you by the Dynamic Freelancer. Number 15, bola. Binigay kay
Good!
Ang gandang galaw nun, mga. Yan, tumatawag na ng pressure ang Ron James. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumama ng in, shot clock is reset. And bounce. Ron James steals the basketball. Number 20, Khalifa. To jersey number 1. Number 1. Wala. Ibang pa jersey number 2. Kick ball tayo. Hindi pa. Shot clock is reset. 14 seconds to shoot. Seconds to shoot. Yes, tama.
Hey! Very good, Celine.
Ilikutan dito si number 7, Kyoto para ginawang sarao ng sinigang. Number 20, kung hindi makita, upo kayo ng space. 10 seconds to shoot. Ayan na.
Bakod!
10 seconds to shoot. Oh, ayan na. Oh, time out.
Forty seconds to shoot. 10 seconds shot clock. 5, 45 seconds. Rapid fire. Rapid 10. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds violation.
Oh!
10 seconds.
Baba, production.
5,
No, 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 no.